Hello and welcome to English with Altaf. Today we are going to talk about something that many learners face. The topic is, can't speak English well? Here is the surprising fix. If you feel stuck or nervous when speaking English, don't worry. In this video, we are going to show you some powerful but simple steps to fix this problem.
That's right. Many people spend years learning grammar, memorizing vocabulary, or watching English lessons, but when the time comes to speak, they freeze. Their mind goes blank. If this happens to you, then today's lesson is for you. We will share the real reason behind this problem and the surprising fix that will help you speak more naturally and confidently.
Let's start by understanding why people cannot speak English well, even after learning it for a long time. The first reason is fear. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes. They think other people will laugh at them or judge them. This fear stops them from speaking. But the truth is, mistakes are part of learning. Without mistakes, you cannot improve. So the first fix is to accept mistakes as a natural step.
Yes, I completely agree. When I was learning another language, I made many mistakes. Sometimes people corrected me, sometimes they just smiled, but nobody rejected me. In fact, people were happy that I was trying. So if you can't speak English well, remind yourself that speaking is not about perfection. It is about communication. If someone understands your idea, you are already successful.
The second reason people struggle with speaking is lack of practice. They may study English for hours, but all that time is spent on reading or writing. They never open their mouth to speak. Just like swimming, you cannot learn by reading a book. You have to get into the water. Speaking English is the same. The fix is to practice speaking every single day, even if you are alone.
That's a very important point. Many learners say, I don't have a partner, so I cannot practice, but that is not true. You can practice with yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and talk about your day. Record your voice on your phone and listen to it. Describe the things you see around you in English. For example, say, this is a chair. The chair is brown. I am sitting on the chair. It may sound simple, but it builds your fluency step by step.
Another reason people can't speak English well is that they focus too much on grammar rules. Of course, grammar is useful, but when you speak, you don't have time to think about every rule. You need to think in phrases, not in grammar formulas. The fix here is to learn common phrases and practice them. For example, phrases like, how's it going? Or, that sounds great are used every day. If you practice such phrases, your speech will become smoother.
Yes, speaking is more about rhythm and flow than about rules. When you learn a new phrase, use it immediately in your daily life. If you hear, what do you mean in a video, practice it by saying it aloud 3 times. The more you use phrases in real life, the faster they become natural. This surprising fix learning in chunks instead of single words can change your speaking level very quickly.
Let's also talk about listening. You cannot speak well if you don't listen enough. Listening gives your brain the patterns of English. If you only read books, you won't hear the sound of real conversation. So one of the surprising fixes for speaking is actually listening. Spend at least 15 minutes daily listening to English conversations, short podcasts, or even movies with subtitles. Slowly, your mouth will copy the sounds you hear.
That's very true. In fact, one of the best ways to improve speaking is a method called shadowing. You listen to a sentence in English and then repeat it immediately, copying the pronunciation and rhythm. For example, if you hear, I'm going to the market, repeat it exactly, even copying the intonation. This method trains your tongue and your brain together. It's simple, but very effective.
Now let's address confidence. Many people can speak a little, but they lose confidence in front of others. They think their accent is not good enough, or their vocabulary is too small. But here is the truth. Confidence comes from action, not from waiting. The more you speak, the more confident you become. So the fix is to practice in real situations. Order food in English, talk to a shopkeeper, or ask directions in English. Every small step adds to your confidence.
I like to say, don't wait until you are ready. Speak and then you will feel ready. If you always wait for the perfect time, that time will never come. Start small, but start today. Even 2 minutes of speaking daily can change your level in a few weeks.
Another fix is to stop translating from your mother tongue into English. When you translate in your head, you become slow. Your sentences sound broken. Instead, train your mind to think directly in English. For example, if you see an apple, don't think of the word in your language and then change it. Just say apple. This habit makes your speaking faster and more natural.
Yes, and one way to train yourself is to describe your surroundings in English. Say things like, the sky's blue, or I am walking to the bus stop. These small sentences teach your brain to use English directly. Over time, your thoughts will start coming in English automatically without translation.
Let's also talk about environment. If you want to fix your speaking, you must surround yourself with English. Change your phone language to English. Watch English shows. Follow English pages and try to connect with people online who speak English. The more English you hear and use, the easier it becomes.
That's right. Language is like a habit. The more you live in it, the stronger it grows. Even if you live in a place where people don't speak English, you can create your own English environment with technology. Use YouTube, audiobooks, or apps to stay connected to English every day.
Now let's put all of this together. If you can't speak English well, the surprising fix is not only about grammar or memorizing words. The real fix is daily practice, using phrases instead of rules, listening and shadowing, speaking even alone, thinking in English, and building confidence by using the language in real life.
That's a complete picture. And remember, the fix is not complicated. It doesn't require expensive courses or hundreds of books. It only requires your daily effort and a new way of thinking. Speak without fear, accept mistakes, practice daily, and you will see a big change in a short time.
So, what have we learned today? We learned that the main reasons people can't speak English well are fear, lack of practice, overthinking grammar, low confidence, and translation. And we learned the surprising fixes. Accept mistakes, practice speaking daily even alone, learn phrases, listen in shadow, think in English, and use real-life situations.
Yes, that's a full summary. If you follow these steps, your speaking will improve much faster than you imagine. The surprising fix is simple. Stop waiting for perfection and start speaking now.
Thank you so much for joining us today on English with Altaf. We hope this lesson gives you the motivation and tools you need to fix your speaking problem.
And remember, every day is a chance to improve. Keep practicing, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next video with more easy and useful lessons.